This tutorial will guide you on how to retrieve shelf information from the Maintain Stock Item module and display it in a report. In the sales invoice grid, the shelf data is displayed as read-only and isn't stored in the sales invoice database. To include this data in a report, you will need to use a variable and write in SQL query to fetch it from the stock item table. Step 1. Open the report in Report Builder. Select the desired report to preview, for example, Sales Invoice 3 Simple. Click on the blue report name to enter designer mode. Navigate to the Document_Detail tab, where the shelf information should be displayed. Click Variable and place it in the desired position on the report. Remember the variable name given by system. If you want to rename it, update it under Properties, username to the name desired like vShelf. Step 2. Write the SQL query. Click on the 𝐂𝐽 tab in the top left corner. Right-click and select Event. Scroll down and find vShelf. Click on 𝐂𝐽 to start writing the query. Firstly, you need to declare the variable, write it before the word begin. Variable 𝐓𝐢𝐭𝐴:_string. Within begin and end block, write the SQL query. �SQL::equal select shelf from ST item. Shelf is the column name in the stock item table, ST item is the table name. You can find the table from Flame Robin. If you do not know how to open Flame Robin, you can click on the link in the description for the tutorial. At the end of the code, ensure there's a space before the single quote. This prevents code elements from merging, which can cause errors. For example, without the space, it would result in an invalid SQL query like select shelf from ST item where code equals. We can check this by using the code show message, SQL. After that, write the following code. Pull the item code column from right side of the report field. Link to the report's item code column name, ensuring the values match exactly for the system to retrieve the information successfully. Finally, we need to retrieve and assign the value. The following code will retrieve the value from database after checking it is not a null value. The DB_SQL get field value bracket SQL is a fixed value that can be retrieved from utility. If it is a null value, the value will be set to empty to avoid exception error. Step 3. Save and preview the report. Go to File, Save As and give the report a new name. Preview the report to ensure the shelf information is correctly displayed in the invoice. The invoice will now display the shelf information dynamically fetched from the stock item table. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest video, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.